Do you ever scroll through social media and see digital nomads living the dream life in some exotic location and wonder if it can be the life that you lead?
Well, you can't.
At least not without learning a real strategy and how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to ditch the 9 to 5 today and how to achieve the 9 to mine timeline. So picture this. It's Monday morning, but instead of fighting traffic and fluorescent lights, you're sipping coffee at a beachside cafe in the Philippines. Or maybe you're wrapping up your workday in a cozy Tokyo apartment before exploring the city. This isn't some influencer fantasy. It's exactly what thousands of people are doing right now in 2025. But here's the thing. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, right. Another make money online video. Trust me, I get the skepticism. The internet is full of gurus selling dreams. A viewer reached out to me and asked me for this exact video because a ton of gurus online talked about their wonderful remote work life, but never actually say how to do it. But stick with me because I'm about to break down the exact blueprint that's working right now. No fluff, no upsells, just the real step-by-step 6-month strategy that's creating location-independent personal brands in 2025. Look, the digital nomad dream isn't new, but what's changing in 2025 is the opportunity to build something sustainable, something that's uniquely yours. We're not talking about drop shipping or crypto trading. We're talking about turning your existing skills and knowledge into a personal brand that generates consistent income from anywhere in the world. Phase 1, foundation building. This is months 1 through 2. First things first, you need to identify your unique value proposition. But don't overthink it. Answer these 3 questions. What do people already ask you for help with? What can you talk about for hours without getting bored? And what problems have you solved for yourself that others may be struggling with? So here's your action items. Sign up for Circle to build your community platform. Create a free Notion workspace. This is to help you organize your content and your business plan. Set up professional accounts on LinkedIn and one other platform where your target audience hangs out. Install Candly.com for scheduling. And get Canva Pro. This is for content creation. Phase 2, content foundation, months 2 through 3. So this is where most people mess this up. They try to be everywhere all at once. Instead, pick one platform to dominate first. LinkedIn for B2B and professional services, YouTube for educational content like I'm doing, Instagram for visual and lifestyle content, and TikTok for quick hit advice and trending topics. Your first content pillar should be your journey and lessons learned, your actionable tips in your expertise area, and the behind the scenes of building your business and success stories and case studies, even if they're small wins. So the tools you need for this: Filmora Wondershare or Descript.com for video editing, OBS Studio for screen recording, Later.com for content scheduling, and Riverside for remote interviews. If you're finding value in this video, please drop a comment down below of where you would live if you could live anywhere in the world, or at least drop your favorite emoji. It really helps the engagement. Thanks. Phase 3, your monetization strategy. Now we're coming into months 3 and 4. Here's where the magic happens. But remember, monetization follows value. Your income stream should be a knowledge product. This is 40% of your revenue. And create a signature course or a program. Use Podia or Kajabi to host. Start with Beta Group at 50% off normal price. And 2, services. This is 40% of your revenue. This is one-on-one coaching or consulting, group coaching programs, done-for-you services in your expertise area, and then affiliate income. This is about 20% of your revenue. Only promote tools you actually use. Join quality affiliate programs like ConvertKit, Kajabi, or industry-specific ones. Phase 4, location independent setup. In month 4, the technical setup is crucial. You need international banking, so go to Revolut or Wise.com. You also need travel insurance. Don't underestimate this. SafetyWing.com and laptop insurance, WorthAvGroup.com. This is the one nobody ever talks about. And you need a VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, and you need a cloud backup for everything. Backblaze.com is what I use. And phase 5 is the scaling system. Now we have to automate this entire thing and scale it. So what you're going to do is hire a virtual assistant through onlinejobs.ph or Upwork. Set up email automation with ConvertKit. Create SOPs for everything in your business using Notion. Join co-working spaces through WeWork, All Access, or Selena CoLive. Remember that Monday morning we talked about at the very beginning? It's not just about the location. It's about the freedom to design your life on your terms. The path I've laid out is not easy, but it is proven to work. It's not about overnight success. It's about consistent strategic action. Think about where you'll be 6 6 months from now if you start today. Picture yourself closing your laptop after a productive day, stepping out on that balcony in Portugal, or heading to a co-working space in Manila. That's not just a dream anymore. It's a blueprint that you can follow. Look, drop a comment down below with your biggest takeaway here. And if you want to dive a little bit deeper, I put together a free resource guide with all of the tools and all of the templates mentioned in this video with everything that you need. It's linked in the description. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Like if you like, sub if you sub, share if you share. I'm Thrive. Bye.